What was the very first one?
The Aurora 2.
Aurora 2, okay.
That was the one on both sides.
Yes, with the little circles.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. What's up, guys? My name is Tyler Mason. I'm the owner of Dream Auto Clinic. We have a great group of guys here. There's 4 or 5 of us any given time, and we've been doing hot rods since, it's been about a year since I've opened this place. We build cool stuff like this. We build people's dream cars and things that they've dreamed about, and we bring them to life.
I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up. Big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, yeah. I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah. I'm talking all bite, no bark. I could rip your squad apart. I got that dog in me, so what's up? Yeah, so what's up?
So the Sunpro is the new version. The Aurora 2 was the original version that I actually tried. I can't even tell you how many years ago, but it was still in very, very early production. And I tried it when I was a painter at a custom shop, and I was using it on a Candy Harley Davidson tank. And I told the guys at Luma that they had an incredible product on their hands, because with a Candy, when you're going across and you're doing a pass, you want to make sure your overlaps are correct. That Aurora 2 was the first one that I had ever used, the first, light. I'd never seen anything like it at all, but it really helped with the coverage of the Candy, because you could tell exactly where your overlap was, and every time it was exactly where you wanted it, because as long as you followed what you were seeing, and it allowed you to see everything. I really think this new design is absolutely incredible, the way that it just clips onto any gun that you have, the way that it charges. It's smaller. It's a complete improvement from the Aurora, which the Aurora, I believe, was a game changer in the painting industry to begin with. There you go.